Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Sakawai ke seng balang jong gane ka than chete lamingi kalami madan halor ki khandai tali ki nongrem kaba kawai naki kalong ban yadai ki jat man reu gane ka than ya gane la pen bana ha ga no phai sngi khandai tarik unai weng arajar khat khandai ha ga jing yalang ka bala penlong ha dorbar hall jong Shillong Press Club ya gane ka seng thamai la tip kum ga Northeast Growth Development and Empowerment League ha ga bau nong yalam barim ka seng Ribhoi Youth Federation ubala long tengru UMDC ko umroi constituency uba field marshal maufniang ulaya donlang layalam ya kani keseng dau Amitabh Sharma kum chairman kat kum ka jingethu jonggit khot jong Northeast Growth Development and Empowerment League lani ka khot lung kot kum ka negdel la ong ba wat la ki don shibun ki seng balang nrei kim la ban pek ban khmi bat ban sim khia lut ya baro ki jing e ki ba ki pai nong shong snong ki kendo bat ban kan tiu ya ka roi ka par kita kejing ki kentup ya kamat kabayadai bat kejing ya kaja put hapdeng ke jela Meghalaya bat ke jela Assam. Halor kani la kenoru bakadai kejing bemla da ginong san hima sima ban shimkhia namar la jelai palat ka bamsap. Kajing khang no jong ki bor sarkar ban ti mau tong siap ti mau shun bat doyong kalak ta teng yo khiu ja jong ki pat ba. Kajing bemla jong sarkar ban thau ya ki policy bapura halor ki babun ki phang khamtam na ka benta ki nong rep ru kadai gawai na ki mat ki bakani ka seng ka thau. Kit khot jong Negdel Meghalaya unit ki kintup yo Vice President Ibor Maufniang u Assistant Secretary Broster Lalu but u Silent Star Rani kum u President kam Meghalaya unit.
Meghalaya ngidon bun ki NGO ndai kimla pan cover ki babun ki jinge jong ki paiba khamtam ki border issue but kiwi ngidon ru hamne ban uplift ya ka tradition ya ka traditional hakaba ngiyang ru hakaju kapor naka benda jom ki indigenous ma ka habang indigenous ka bamut ngishim na do karyam ka bet ka bam ka di ka kup kasam nadang shodang jom ki khasi khara jongi am to jongi khasi khara habang idon borok khono dis tumut borok kujat benru kedon lala ka jong ka indigenous ban penim ban pakhan susu ya ka hakju ko porro ya kane ka border issue kadi laslam ba kane ka issue ma wat haka politics ru kalalong dirty ilale kai game ya ka tementa lemba jong ka seng ngin ai da ka appeal da ka jingtho ka babiang hadu central regat bar kini ki neutral state ki jongi hakaba ngin la ban solve out ya ka border issue mentaro hane khiri-khiri gi osngobe ya ki border issue ma kejingwan tur khaput khamtam jong ka Assam ya ka Meghalaya kijigle banben hangte ha piling kata hangte ngi nigong kejaka ke jong ka Meghalaya bat mentapat ke lakala de jong ka Assam ta hagdu ko poru ngiyeng hagi khandai tili ki pillars jong ka hapo jong ka foundation jong ka seng
nang jungi ngidon tak wagi jebut kata kalau haban ni hagane ka state ka jungi ba upai ba haban pet nadu mongrap kamtam langka ki wiki kam ni lalong nak jelong dus pak ni kelas ka jelong duk baleng yong ta nama kajing sanyon ka jungi ya ki plan ja ka jungi kita plan ja ka jungi kalau makasokar kala nyon nak bentaban khang khadap khamtam ka jede mau siap nak tahu mau siap nak motion mau yo kini kiba ki paiba jumi ki imjas ni khamtam ha man ni jakan no dong la ne hasor mata umau bansim banti mlasu otak maslai mlasu wat hanam dong kalau baru tak usiap lu kalau sokar kamsa ban trei ki kwalis ki jumi batu kini ki balaju trei mata lagi fokus nam ki kalalong kilap kimdan kam nam jamsu baru emotion umju lakhang kadap baru kamdam suka kamai da ji ne gatai babon ki building ki yam pertama di pe yang dewang no dewang ki lok jongi na pala na is jantia kamtam ko ba imbe tang na udon kapal mo kalong ba kasongka dagani dagatani ko bun gi bun kilat kelenti gi joka kawan ban keno kawan ban ong ban pemi ya kita ki polisi gi joka kabak hadu kalong ba la khang no tang ba pati yu de ban diu ju de kumu julo tikane ro kane ba ka jingon ya ka jabin ro jungi ka jingon ya ka jing Roy ka jimpa do ka bil ko juli te ni halor ka ni pampaw ko ba nakarang jong ni sosi ba ni irong lomba kinama kama jumi ka sarkar kamshom la shnai ka mining policy kamshom la shnai ka agriculture policy kamshom la shnai kita ki babun ki policy mo ki ba de ban shnai na ko ko la shi teng mai na bantaban Mensenai polisi, sebab mensenai polisi, kalau buat berlomba, itu bun bijingnya, hal yang kamtam badi bernong ram. Ini mentah bun kita berap, mentah simram nabai. Namun kaji bun ke polisi, hak state government, kasak pun no batu nongram, kabakut ulhaban, lara put usingnya, lara put lara ujat lara warga no kajingnya, lara kum kadi natural communities kebagi om. Kum upria tata hak por keba kenyang wan minta kapor haus junjung jungi idong rap kai bakut kalau mala sukun utang long.
We see Northeast as a cultural identity. Some people might see it as a geographical term situated in the northeastern part of India. But our philosophy, the Nagdal philosophy, the philosophy that has given birth to this organization, sees Northeast as an unique cultural identity. And according to the United Nations Declaration for Indigenous People, a particular land must be associated with an identity. So we view the whole Northeast region not as a mere geographical landmass. It's a unique heritage of continuously inhabited people for over 1,000 years. So our identity, we are using Northeast not as a pure geographical or administrative term, but as a unique identity for indigenous people. We all know the northeastern region, as it is known, is inhabited by large number of indigenous tribes, indigenous communities that has got historic precedence and that has got historic right over this land over the course of nearly 2 millennia. This is where our philosophy begins. By growth we means not merely industrial growth, not merely the growth in terms of Western industrial construct. By growth we mean the development of our local culture along with the local industry as well as the local model of empowerment. Economic development is associated with industry. But unfortunately what we have seen over the course of last 7 decades is that Northeast is only used as an area for raw materials. We are not becoming industrially advanced. Our resources are serving as the raw materials for industrial concerns outside Northeast, that is in the mainland. So growth means when we as a culture survive as well as grow, we come into the concept of growth. Some might say development is building big dams, but the philosophy that has given birth to this organization says development must be intrinsically related to the local community's survival. Today, if we become minority in our own land, people from Bangladesh might come here and tomorrow they might take the identity of Meghalayan or Assamese, but they are not indigenous people. So development must be aligned with our survival. This is the concept and philosophy behind the term development. Then I come to the empowerment term. What is empowerment? Empowerment means not merely knowing the laws or rights as it is stipulated in the Constitution of India or in various acts. Empowerment means a realization that as an indigenous people, we have inherent rights much more stronger and much more ancient than rights granted by legislature or granted by the parliament. Our rights cannot be taken away because we are democratically small. Every state in Northeast India, bearing Assam, has got maximum 2 MLAs or 2 MPs, whether it is Meghalaya or Arunachal Pradesh or Manipur. Our empowerment must not be equated with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar's empowerment democracy. They have got 80 MPs. So here I come close to the point. NECDEL is basically an identity, awareness, development, consciousness movement. We wish to settle in every indigenous person's consciousness that yes, our identity is ancient, more powerful, and is not dependent on mere wish of bigger people or bigger legislatures. It is an inherent right. The second pillar is sweat. We must be able to preserve our economic conditions. When we can only be able to donate our sweat or use our sweat, then only we can preserve our community. The third is ownership of land and property was old era. Now we demand control over land and property. Control means there must be revenue sharing. If I may have your attention, the third pillar is the control over land and property. The fourth pillar, which has its basis in indigenous culture, is the pride. We, the people of Northeast, have lost our pride. So the fourth pillar is we must ensure our local pride. We must ensure our local pride in an institutionalized way. Like, institutionalized way means government of these 8 states must ensure that preservation of pride in tangible form, not in intangible form. We have lost our heritage, whether it is Khasi heritage or whether it is Garo heritage, because they are not in tangible form. Even now, the government or the organizations or the society will not deny, but they are not taking a concrete measure to make it a tangible form. The fifth, on the basis of which we have started, the fifth pillar is the tradition. We have seen over the course of last 3 decades that we have lost our tradition. Tradition means those unique culture that defines us to be a unique tribe. We have lost the tradition because of intermixture with other communities culturally, in the form of cultural imperialism, in the form of cultural mainstreamization. In the name of mainstreamization, we are losing our unique identity. The sixth is the issue of the family. In northeastern India, we have seen our family being broken because of the issues of our women folk or because of the issues of the pressures given on our women folk. We have seen the excuses of outsiders marrying localites to get inner line permit or to get land rights. There must be a concrete measure. Even if any outsider marries into a local community women or into a lady, they will be comprehensively denied, categorically denied all rights that might have been granted to him because he also happens to be our son-in-law. So this is a loophole. Over the course of last 2 to 3 decades, we have seen this loophole being exploited. Such is the still that in Delhi, Punjab and Haryana, they said that just need to go into the northeast, marry a local girl and everything is yours. This is where we must categorically deny them. Not in fact or not in words but in deed. That is a positive discrimination we are seeking for our people. The seventh thing is the environment. As we see the coal issue in northeast, coal mining issue, it is gaining momentum. Our definition of environmental preservation should not be compared with the definition set by the mainland as well as the international standards, because our economy depends upon our resources. That must be clearly perspective wise. So what we demand in environmental concept, that is our seventh pillar, is that the Northeast must have its unique environmental code. Whether it is big dam, whether it is coal, we demand the government of India define a unique code for Northeastern environmental perspectives. Because what is applicable in Maharashtra, environmental wise cannot be applied in Northeast. Then eighth thing is endeavor. Endeavor is taking action. Why we are unable to take endeavor is because of 2 areas. One, we do not have the market of finished products. And the second, we do not have the financial model that is necessary. In endeavor from NECDEL, we demand that the central government of India develop a unique Northeast Development Bank. All the budgets that is given to the individual states must be routed through this bank. All the budget that is given to individual states must be routed through this bank. Whether the amount is directly given or indirectly given is not important. We demand the government of India under RBI start a unique Northeastern Development Bank lie in lines of NABARD. I am very unhappy because it is unfortunately clear that we have lost one generation of Northeastern youth being they are going to Bangalore or Delhi or in South India. We have lost that generation. The government of India, because of its specific geographical condition, must provide a generational insurance. Why? Because we can only survive if we are able to protect our generation. Our young is unfortunately being snatched away by other states, though the excuse is given that they are earning employment there, but in the end it is a net loss of our resources.